All right, people, we are live. What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. Back here to bring you guys another live stream today. So, the last few weeks in the market have been rough, and to be honest, it was going to come. I mean, I didn't expect it to happen this early, but it's here. The bloodbath we all know as the stock market, pullback, crash, whatever it may be, is here. It's finally here. So we're just going to talk about that today. We're just going to discuss it, go through the ins and outs of what's been happening, and hopefully I got some good tips for you guys that you guys can use to benefit you guys going forward. Now, I'm gonna wait till some people start rolling in and then we can start discussing. But I also released my course today. I don't know if you guys saw it. Some of you guys did, some of you guys didn't. And funny enough, I actually uploaded a video today as well. So it's been a busy day for me. And right now I should be uploading my 0 to 100K challenge. Well, no, I should be recording my 0 to 100K challenge. So yeah, but it is what it is. It's been a tough week. It's been a tough few weeks. And honestly, it felt like it's never going to end, but it will end at some point. Don't know when is people going to start coming through. Hopefully people are at the right place, because you never know. Yeah, so what's good, people? Like I've just been saying to the people who are here already, let me know who's in the chat. Let me know who's about. We're going to get it popping now. Yes, I knew my man Jody Leonardo was coming through. What's good, man? Hope you're well. People. It's a difficult time right now. Alexis Marie, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you could come through. I really appreciate that, for real. Nice to have you here. I do appreciate it. Both of you, thank you for tuning in. So yeah, right now I'm just talking about the stock market, and it's been a rough week for myself. It's been a rough week for many who are investing in the market, and I've got some good tips for you guys. That's the positive thing. I've got some good tips for you guys. I also launched my stock course today, so that's cool. I'm actually creating another one right now because I've had a few different requests. So I'm kind of creating one which is really for beginners who are focused on long-term investments. And then my other one, which is more focused for people who want to make cash and get cash flow with stock options. So yeah. Oh man. But it's been a tough period of time, man. Thank you, Alexis. Thank you. And yeah, I'll just put the link in the chat just to begin with. Of course, you guys know. I think you guys already know about it, but I think I have a lot more people who want to affiliate for it, so they want to earn that 50% commission. That's fine, but if you're still interested in affiliating, just let me know. I know my man Jody in the chat over there did want to be an affiliate, and that's no problem. I'll just need to get you guys' email address, privately, of course, probably, and get you guys signed up. But that's the link to the course, so you guys can look at it. And if you want to affiliate, then be an affiliate. That's fine. Make yourself some money. If you want to purchase it, by all means, go ahead. Oh man, wouldn't it just be nice being on like a vacation right now and like not having to worry about all this? It is what it is. You would love to be an affiliate? Yep, that's cool. So you do have to sign up as an affiliate. I have the place where you can sign up. Um, we have like 7 people already, so that's pretty cool. Not all of them have signed up though, because yeah, you have to sign up and make an account first, a free account, and then I can actually sign you up. But I really want to just keep inspiring people, keep making it happen. But it's not easy, man. It's not easy. I'm trying. That's why I made like the video I uploaded today. Like I'm trying to show people like don't be scared, to invest even in difficult times. Even if your favorite guru is not letting you know, I'm letting you know you can invest. Um, I do work hard for these things, man. Yeah, Alexis, that's cool. I did speak to you earlier, and um, yeah, it was cool to catch up with you. I mean, it's really nice that you're here trying to make people encourage people to make money, make it happen. I'm doing the same thing with my family, and they're enjoying it. My uncle, me and him, it's funny. He even made a stock group chat now. He's been making some money, but now recently been losing. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm getting more people invested. It's really nice. Again, like I just want to show people what I've done and show people what's possible, because it's actually crazy what's possible. You don't realize what's possible until you actually do it or you see others do it. Even if you see others do it, you're like, not sure if that's really true. When you actually do it yourself, you're like, whoa, this is cool. It's just by studying and practicing, learning, you'll definitely lose a bit of money to start with if you're going to invest in the market. It happens. Once you get used to it and you learn from your mistakes, most importantly, you will thrive in the market. That's a good thing. And I can tell you that from my own experiences. So again, yeah, nice to have you guys listening in, tuning in, getting the gems out of me. I have many gems for you guys today. Um, for you guys, this might be the first time you've seen a market like this. This is the second time I've seen a market like this, and I've learned from the first time. The first time I was super scared. I sold things. I didn't buy other things. Oh man. So, yes, I want to help everyone. I'm quite upset I didn't start sooner. Don't worry. The good thing is, it's never too late to start. That's the good thing. You're here now, so you're part of it. That's it. That's what it is. Um, but yeah, I was just talking about the first time I started investing. A lot of rookie mistakes there. Um, this is the thing about Apple. Sorry. When it comes to investing, yeah, a lot of rookie mistakes, because you see red, you say, oh, it's gonna go low. I bought this stock at $20. It's now at 17. Let me get rid of it. It's gonna go lower and lower and lower. It does get to like 15, and you're like, okay, good, I sold it. And the next week, it's 20 again. Post trading course link. Oh, I actually did. It's actually pinned to the chat, but I'll just post it again. But it is pinned in the chat, but I don't know. Let me know if that works. Yeah, the good thing is it's never too late to start. It's the same like YouTube. It's never too late to start. I feel like it's just, and I feel like I've been doing YouTube now over 3 years. I feel like I should be a lot further ahead, and I should have helped more people. But I'm doing my best. That's what it is. I'm doing my best. I just want to help more and more people, because last few months has been life changing for me. Like I still can't believe it. Like, man, if I go back to November, right before I went to England, I was like, man, this trading stuff. I've been studying it so long, but I don't understand how it works. One sec. Does that help you? I don't know if that helps you at all. Um, do you still have instances where you still panic? I do not. Actually, hold on. I don't want to say I do not, but I don't have. How do I describe it? I'm not as prone to panicking as many would be, because I'm used to. Well, not used to it. Used to it is not the right word. I've been in the market long enough that I know, hey, all sorts of stuff can happen. That's why I'm like calm right now. I don't like what's happening. Don't get me wrong. I'd rather be making tons of money again. I don't like what's happening, but I've seen this happen before, and I learned from my mistakes. So I'm not going to go repeat the same mistakes again. I'm seeing if I can try and do something for you guys. I don't know if it's going to work though. Don't think so. Looks like it's not going to work. Maybe. Maybe it will work. Hold up. Daniela Joy, what's going on? What's good? What's good? Hope you are well. What's going on now? I haven't been keeping up with the financial news. How's the bond market doing? The bonds, well, the Treasury bond has risen. So the Treasury bond has gone up like 0.9%, I believe. And that's a large, well, is it a large reason? I do think it's a large reason that stocks are generally, selling off right now. Also, another thing I want to add, two things I want to add that are very, very, have a huge impact on what's going on right now with the stock market. One of them is the whole GameStop nonsense that yes, exactly. Now the whole GameStop nonsense, let me just put this on screen for you guys so you guys can see. Just want to show you guys what I'm proud of. Yeah, you guys can go check that link after or whenever. But yeah, one thing I want to point out is, so the whole GameStop frenzy that happened a couple months ago, that's a huge part of what's going on now, I believe. The short sellers, they're getting their money back now, because GameStop keeps rising right now, and also many of the other stocks that we bought have been selling off. Now add that into and this is the major part now. Many new investors entered the market in 2021 as the new stimulus bill was passed, and so that's the $600 I'm talking about. Now, once this happened, many new investors came to stock, Robinhood, Webull, different platforms where they could trade easily, and they started putting in money in there. And a lot of them were getting, rich quickly because of the market, because we were in a bull market. Now, we were in a very long bull market, so that means stocks were going up and up and up for a long period of time. So many people, were jumping into the market in January 2021, new year, want to invest. They bought stocks at a price, and then stocks continued to rise. A lot of them bought more stocks, some of them didn't. They just held what they had. They were happy. Now we come to today. We're looking back at January, even a bit of February, and we're like, so that was actually the highest point of the stocks. So everyone who bought there has now crashed down with the stocks. So they have two options. Now they either have to sell for a loss, or they have to hold through the pain and have very limited buying power. That is exactly what's happened now. So many new investors in the market in 2021. Everybody has come out, excited. GameStop, AMC, BlackBerry, I'm making money, which was happening. Many of them bought into the stock and they're like, yeah, I've got GameStop here, $200 worth $200. The week later, it's worth what, $49 again. A week later, it's worth $39. So, and the same goes for so many stocks. AMC, yes, I got AMC at $8. I took it all the way to 21. 2 weeks later, it's at $9, $7 again. That's exactly what's going on right now. So much is happening in this market. Like I've done so much research on this, and it's so intriguing to me, which is why I actually, made a video this morning or last night about how to make money when the markets are down. Because so many of these amazing stocks, especially these growth stocks, not the value stocks, the growth stocks are selling off. There are tons of growth stocks um, throughout the stock market which have been selling off. And for those of you who don't know the difference between growth stocks and value stocks, Apple is a value stock. Palantir, Workhorse, yeah, Virgin Galactic, those are growth stocks. So the stocks that you buy for 20, 30 bucks and you want them to be $100 in 5, 10 years. That's way different to a value stock or a dividend stock. But a lot of people bought these kind of stocks, like Fuel Cell, bought it at 15 or 17, whatever, and it went all the way up to 29. And they're excited, they're happy. Some people, and I know people because people did this in the Discord, they bought stocks like Fuel Cell at $28 or $29. A week later, it's at 25. Another week later, it's at 20. This week, it touched, I think, $12 or $13. Let me check. And that is exactly what has been happening with many, many, many growth stocks out there. It's been destroyed recently. So right now, it's sitting at just above $13, so $13.05. Fuel Cell I'm talking about here. It reached $11.26 today. What's up, Mr. James? How are you doing? So this is the problem, people. There are so many growth stocks which have been crashed, have been sent back down to the pits of, I don't even know. Many, many people bought in, and oh my gosh. Mr. James was one of the first people to buy our course, buy my course, the course you guys see on the screen there. I do appreciate your support, Mr. James, and I hope you have everything. If you've received everything in your inbox, please let me know. It should be 10 videos. It actually got launched about 2 hours and 11 minutes ago, so it should be dropped in your inbox there automatically. Daniela Joy, the last video you uploaded was actually quite inspirational. I was happy to see that, by the way. Mr. Jody Leonardo. So this is a typical market. This is not a typical market, but it was bound to happen sometime soon. I want to point out something to you guys. Right now is one of the periods of times where the stock market is not reflecting what's happening in the real world. It isn't. Daniela Joy, you're welcome. It was really inspirational. I was happy to see it. And that's kind of videos I like to see on YouTube. People inspiring others to show their growth, to show their journey, to show what they've done, transformation. That's what I like to see on YouTube, in whatever area it is. It might be how you turned your YouTube channel from 1K subscribers to 10K subscribers. It might be how you lost 50 pounds in 6 weeks. It might be how you turned 5K into 10K. It might be whatever. I like to see those videos. So I was happy to see that. Keep up the good work. Well done. The stock market, though, oh man, it's testing me out. Yeah, stock market right now is it is another universe. You get me back on here. So, Mr. James, you started watching. Okay, cool. It's 3 hours worth of content. So unfortunately, I know you've not finished it yet because it only got released to you 2 hours ago. So even if you just started watching it straight away, you wouldn't have finished it yet. If I had $100,000 now, I would drop it on Tesla. And so would I. But only when it's fully reversed, because I was going to buy Tesla at $635. Now it's at 505. So I'm still going to wait. If Tesla gets in the 400s, you're going to see me. No. If Tesla gets, people, let me write this down. How do I know what time we're at? Oh, it's on the screen. Never mind. Let me just tell you guys something real quick. A secret. I don't know if you want to call it a secret, but yeah, no, I need to tell you guys this. We saw Tesla touch highs of like $900 earlier last year. If Tesla hits the 400s, I am going to show you guys the meaning of buying the dip. Trust me. I'm going to show you guys the meaning of buying the dip. If Tesla hits $400, in the $400, I am I'm going to show you guys to me of buying the dip, because Tesla is one of those Tesla is one of those stocks which is a growth stock, and Tesla is going to continue to grow. Right now, I've been saying for the longest time, you cannot go and ask Wagner Salcedo, because I always comment on his videos. I've been saying for this longest time, Tesla is so overvalued. It was like 700, 800, 900. I said this stock is way too overvalued, so I didn't buy it yet. Now it's at 500. I'm like, we're getting close to my evaluation for Tesla. I think next week, it's got to be next week. If that hits 400 or in the 400s range, I'm going to show you guys the meaning of buying the dip. When they say what it means to buy the dip, I will show you guys the Tesla dip. I will show you guys. Yeah, shout out the Discord. Shout out the Discord. Guys, I will show you the meaning of buying the dip. If Tesla is to hit 400s, oh, you know how long I've been waiting for this? When they talk about patience in the market, I've been waiting since Tesla was $310. When I go all in, yeah, I'll tell you this. I won't go all in, but I'll show you the definition of buying the dip. When there's blood on the streets, that is when you buy, right? Blood in the streets. Yeah. Yep. Sorry, Mr. James, just a quick one from Mr. James. As you bought the course, I don't know if you noticed, you can also be an affiliate. So if you like the course, if you want to make money, you can earn a 50% commission. So you earn 50% off every sale. We go 50-50. You don't have to do anything but just sign up for free, sign up an account, and let me know if you are interested. Give me an email address. It can be the email address you purchased the course with. I don't mind. But yeah, let me know if you want to be an affiliate. That would be cool. Get you making some money that you can invest in the stocks. But yeah, everyone else, you know what to do as well. Tesla, you can average up and down, and over time you get a return. 1 billion%. And it's funny because I had some cash buying power about 2 weeks ago, and I thought, what's the safest bet right now? I looked at Tesla. I was like, Tesla at $700. It was like 701. I was like, yeah, I think this is it. I didn't load up, unfortunately, because the markets were still dipping. But yeah, it's good that you brought up Tesla. For me, if you're looking for a growth stock, that stock that's going to grow in value, right now it's Tesla. If I was to pick number 1, 2, and 3, shares, yeah, shares, not options. You can do both, but I'd say shares. Like those shares are going to double. I'll say within 2-3 months. My opinion, of course. But if I had to give you if I had to give you guys 3 stocks which are 1, 2, and 3 right now, 1 is Tesla. I've got to pick these carefully. 2 is ARK Invest. 3. I have 3 options for number 3. I would say, it's close. I've narrowed it down between 2. I'd say Palantir. Thank you, Daniela Joy. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Wonderful that you came by to support. Love that. But yeah, if I had to choose 3 stocks right now to buy, load up on, I like Square, but it's not Square. So I'll just write them in the chat. Thank you so much. Glad to have you here. Do I really would I say Palantir? Well, I'll just give you guys 2. CCIV and Palantir. Well, yeah, Lucid. I would, if you asked me this 1 month ago, I would have said ChargePoint, not ChargePoint. ChargePoint, Switchback. So ChargePoint. Fundamentals of side hustling. I'm glad to have you here. We bounced back on Friday, but the rest of the week was tough. Fundamentals of side hustling. It's nice to have you here. It's been a while since we spoke. I hope you are well. I hope everything is well with you. You know how it goes. I was just telling the people that I released a new course today, stock options. So if you want to be an affiliate for me, we go 50-50 on the payments. I'm fine with that. I'm happy to do that. Love supporting you guys just the same way you guys support me. So you know how it is. But yeah, Tesla will go over above 1,000. It's going to 1,000. I don't know how high above 1,000 it's going. I could do with some chicken and vegetable chow mein right now. But yeah, it's going to at least 1,000. If it passes that, I'm not sure. Also, Daniela Joy has left, but make sure you guys drop that thumbs up, hit the like button. Please do. My back is actually in pain right now, so I'm tired. Last night was crazy as well. I recorded that video for you guys, and after that, I spent like 3 hours doing some. What was I doing? I can check my phone now. Was I researching something? Oh no, I was writing tweets. Fundamentals of side hustling. Yeah. So what you need to do is sign up through this for free. You can sign up through this link for free, and then once you sign up for free, I'll get you your own unique link so you can get paid. I'm trying to get all of you paid. In fact, three of the 8 people who are watching right now have asked me. So let me just put it in the chat. So that link I put in there, guys, sign up through that link. Sign up in that link for free. Make your own account, and yeah, you're good to go. Then let me know when you made an account. Give me your email address, and I'll sign you up and give you your own unique link. Yes, Switchback is still dipping, and I got shares in Switchback, 100 shares. So my portfolio has been dipping with Switchback. That's what happens with growth stocks, especially SPACs. It's expected. Soccer Pain, 1,000%. It was the first time since before I went to England. You guys remember when I did the England trip? So it was like over 3 months. Wait, what? We're now in March. My last soccer was like beginning November. So like 4 months. Oh my gosh, yeah. My legs are like in bits. My back is like my lower back is so tight right now. It's ridiculous. Hey, everybody, make sure you go sign up on that link. Let me know when you sign up for free, and I can get you. I got $950 buying power in Robinhood. What's the play? I got 3,000. You need a 35,000% return by Friday. Okay. I'm trying to think what I would do. Stocks are going to recover, but I don't know how soon. First thing I'll do is go towards Tesla. But by Friday, that's different. That's a tough one, Mr. James. I got to think about that. Give me some time to think about that. I would say ARK Invest, but the stocks I'm thinking of aren't going to recover by Friday. You're going to have to put a heavy put option on something that has shot up really high. That's what I would usually do to get a quick return. But if that stock just keeps shooting high, then you're in trouble. But then you cut your losses and move on. Oh, you scared me. I was trying. Hey, at least it was good you tested me. At least you tested me on the spot and I came up with something. Because shows who I am as a trader. Hey, it's possible. That's why you asked me and I answered it. I told you straight what I'll do. I had to tell you because if I didn't, I would look sheepish out here. I had to tell you what I would do. So yeah, it was good to know that you're cold, you're good, that you're solid. If you need a nice profit, again, this is still a bear market right now. Things are dipping in price. So if it's me, I'm looking at something that shot up in a day. do exactly what I did on the video uploaded today. The video uploaded earlier about how I made 140% return. That's what I would do right now. Find a stock that's been shot up and it's way overpriced, and then buy a put option on it. That's how I, got almost triple my money back. So it's part of the game. So what other questions have you guys got? I like those questions so far. I just don't understand. Hey, did anybody go and check out that link and sign up for free? Did you guys make an account? Yeah, still need me on the show. Yeah, get me on that show. I just got a haircut too, so get me on that show ASAP. But let me know when you let me know. Yeah, just hit me up. Either DM, Instagram, or send me an email as well. The easiest, quickest way, you can even join my Discord and send me a message on Discord. You can just send me a message on Discord as well if you join the Discord or whatever. It's up to you. My man, it's been a blessing. Out to the gym. Stay safe. Catch you in the Discord on Monday. Yeah, catch me in the Discord over the weekend as well. You know what to do. Make sure you let me know when you signed up, because you kept telling me you wanted to be an affiliate, but you've not signed up on the link yet, Mr. Jody Leonardo. So go sign up, make a free account, and then I can help you out do the rest. I'll hit your Insta right now. Cool. I'll be waiting. I actually just uploaded a video. Hey, someone just bought it. But sorry, I'm looking at the messages. Sorry, three of you guys messaging me at once. So I would do the affiliate now, but I don't know any folks into stocks right now. That's cool. That's fine. I have no problem with that. At least you bought the course, so that's cool. Just got that pack. I'll study, and soon we are going to get those 100% returns on a consistent basis. That's brilliant. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the support. It's so appreciated. Honestly, I can't thank you guys enough. Like, you guys really helped me out. I'm the only one. Okay. And then someone was messaging me just now. This Wednesday, we can get you on this Wednesday. Yep. Thanks for that message. Jeez, 17 requests. Uh-oh, people are leaving the live stream. Uh-oh, people are leaving the live stream. Am I not keeping you guys entertained? I bought it. I wasn't supposed to. Wait, you did it by accident? Or what do you mean? I'll study and soon we are going to be getting those 100% returns on the custom places. Let me know what you mean, just in case. A lot of people are interested in stock, and to have you on to talk about it will be perfect. That works. I would love to tell my story. I mean, I'm still surprised that nobody has reached out to me. Well, you have reached out to me, but yeah, I'm surprised more people haven't reached out to me. But let me just check because this question, yes, I do. I do indeed. When it comes to the market, so part of the reason that I've also created this course was to show people that you can change your situation. Like, it still seems unreal, like within months. Before this market, I wouldn't say feeding off scraps, but it was a bit of a struggle. And when I started playing options, I don't want you guys to go and gamble. When I started playing options, I started making a little bit more money. Is it possible to earn income from what you teach in the videos? It is possible, but it will take time. I'll be honest with you, it will take time because everything I learned in there took me months and months of learning. Of course, I put it all into one package for you guys, so it makes it easier for you guys, but it still takes, some trial and error. Let me put it that way. The easiest way you can get the good returns you want is by putting in $500 into an option trade and coming away with $100 and be like, okay, I should have cut losses at $300. Oh, okay, maybe I could have waited a bit more. That's how you do it. And you'd be like, okay, you put another 500 or 300 into something else, you come away with 200, 300. And you're like, yeah, okay, that worked. And you see that same stock dip. And you're like, okay, well, last time it dipped, it's rallied up again. I'm going to try and make the same play now, but with a little bit more money. So it's like rinse and repeat the same strategies, trial and error. That is how I did it. That is the secret. Now, the only reason for my pack, the stock option starter pack, is so that you guys can see how I look for stocks on a daily basis. You guys can understand the difference between certain types of trading strategies. You can understand how to make money in a good market, a bad market, cover yourself, protect yourself from getting losses. Look at my mistakes and also look at my wins, see what's possible. I put in that stock pack, my guy, in that stock pack, I put some of my biggest wins that I've not shown anybody, on YouTube, because if you show these kind of wins on YouTube, people are going to say it's fake or it's not real or it's not possible, and then it's going to put other people off from it. That's why I've shown it in my stock options pack, because I think there people are more, they bought the pack for a reason. If I showed some of those wins on YouTube, people are going to be like, no, it's fake, even though it's completely not fake, as you guys can see if you guys buy the course. But I don't want anybody to go on YouTube and, discourage others. Some of the stock market videos I've made on YouTube, people have come and said, this is not possible, this is gambling, you don't know what you're doing, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh, please don't put that in my comment section, because if you don't believe in yourself, someone even told me in my comment section, he said, if you've made it or something like that, if you've already made it, then why do you need YouTube or something very strange like that? And I was like, and he said, yeah, humble yourself or something. And I was like, I'm going to remove this comment, because people who come to my channel to learn about what is possible do not want to see something like this. They're going to be like, oh, this guy's a fake, he's a phony, he didn't actually make that money. So yeah. Okay, I got one band to start in with options. Yeah, one band isn't more than enough. It's a form of gambling, but educated. Walking across the street is gambling. Tell me about it. It is a form of gambling, but when the guy was telling me you don't know what you're doing, oh, another person, actually this was like 3 weeks ago, he told me, are you sure this is not just luck? I told him, I said it straight up. I said, I did this at the end of November. So I did it in December when I was on vacation in London. I said, I did it in January, and I've also done it for the first 3 weeks of February. 3.5 months straight of luck. I might be doing something right. And if that is luck, then long may it continue. But yeah, it's not, it comes down to a little bit of luck, but it comes from me losing money in the past. I didn't just randomly wake up and say, hey, I'm really good at this. No, I had lost money before, and I knew, okay, if I don't lose money this time, then I'm going to gain money. It's pretty obvious. You either lose money with a trade or you win money, like gambling kind of. You place a trade. You're either coming away with more money or you're coming away with less money. You're very rarely coming away with the same amount of money. That's very rare. So when I put money in, I lost money. Well, next time I said, okay, let me be a bit more patient. Well, let me wait a little bit. Well, let me put in less money. And then if I lost money again, I say, okay, let me stay away from that stock. Or what was the reason that I may have lost money on that stock? These kind of things. Then I go forward. And yep, exactly. Precisely. And then I go forward and I said, okay, you know what? Let me try and do this on this stock because I heard some good news about it. Last time I heard good news about stock, it rallied upwards. That is how, yes. Remember we had a conversation the other day, Mr. James, we had a conversation the other day. You asked me if I use technicals, and I said I don't use any fundamentals, which is not really true. I use mostly technicals, a little bit of fundamentals. It's easier to leave negative comments rather than having faith and putting in work. Dedication, exactly. There was I read something the other day. Someone said it's easy. Actually, I can find it because I saved it in my notes. I'm going to read it to you guys because it was so true. 1 second. I wrote it down in my notes. I put everything in my notes. MFs, so you guys know what that stands for, see greatness and would rather say it's cap than believing that they could do it too. It's pathetic. It's very true. People would rather say you lying or you didn't do it than them saying, wait, he did that? Hey, I'm already richer than him. Surely I can make a little bit of money too. But that's not what people's attitude is. People's attitude is, it's a lie, it's fake, he never did that, he isn't this, he isn't that. I'm just reading some messages, sorry. But yeah, people would rather say that something is a lie or it didn't happen than try it themselves. And the thing, I find it weird because, like Mr. Burpee Yoga Uncle said, everything is gambling. Everything is gambling. You trying to go to your job on a regular day is gambling. You know how many times I've been hit in a car crash on my way to the job? It's gambling. You going out in the snow and driving in the snow is a gamble. And you know what's funny? There are traders out there. You guys think that I've made good money. There are traders out there, I've seen them, this is why I was inspired. There are traders out there who put in 2,000, 3,000 into something. They came away with 15,000, 20,000, 30,000. So you guys might think, oh, he's making the most out of any traders on the earth or something like that. I don't know what you guys think. And I'm thinking, I've done pretty well, but there are people who've done way more than me. Small-minded people, people who hate, people who are pathetic, this is what they think. He turned 1,800 into 12,000. No, he actually didn't. That's fake. That's what they think. And me, I think, because I'm in it, I'm live, I'm there, I'm thinking, oh, I did well here. It could have even been more if I had done this or I'd done that or I'd waited a little bit longer. I could have gotten lower. If I explain to you guys how many times I bought a stock and it did this, zoop, then 2 or 3 weeks later it finally went like this. If I had waited until it first dipped, then bought here and went that like that, I could have made even more money. But it's obviously in hindsight. But again, I bought stocks which have gone like this, dipped down, and I'm like, uh-oh. And later on, they've finally risen again, and I made a lot of money that way. And you guys have seen that on my YouTube videos. So when someone comes along and say, yeah, it's a lie, how would you have known that stock goes up? Well, I didn't know the stock would go up, but I held it as it dropped down. I'm not saying I bought it at the lowest, but I held it until it dropped to the lowest, and then when it rose again, I profited it. They're like, I'm trying to inspire people, not have people think, I'm trying to inspire people, not do anything fake out here. It's you take time to learn it. It's not fake. It's like I don't even know how to explain it. It's practicing. So if you can replicate what you did in the past 4 months consistently, you would well be on your way to becoming a millionaire. If I can replicate what I did in the past 4 months consistently, 100, yes, by next year, no joke. But it's not going to happen, and I don't see it that way. And I don't. That's not what I want to do. I want to build businesses. I want to. My focus is not only in the stock market because that's you can only control a certain amount of that. You understand what I mean? Now, Man, the amount of money that I've lost to actually become profitable is insane. Man, it's so much effort that's needed. Thank you. I didn't wake up and become good. No, it's a learning process. Can't rush to make a tree fully grown. Exactly. I didn't wake up and say, hey, I'm going to invest in Tesla today. Actually, you know what? My very first trade, I said, let me tell you guys a brief story about my very first trade, my very first option trade. I went on a date and it went okay. I had felt kind of some way. So when I got home, I was like, man, I don't have money. Like, I want to be doing more fun stuff. So I was like, I've heard of options trading before. Let me see if I know how this works. And I think Tesla was at like, I can actually look it up for you guys. But Tesla was at like 350 or something, and I said it's going to be at 375 by next Friday. That same day, it rose like to like 360 or 365, and I made like $4,000 within like the last hour of market being open. And I was like, yes, I'm good at this. Now, before anyone says that's a lie or it's a fake story, let me explain what happened afterwards. I held it till Monday. I sold out. Did I hold it till Monday or did I sell out on Friday? Either one of the two. Anyway, I eventually took my profits and I was super happy. I put in 3,000 and I came away with like 7,000 or something like that. Monday came around. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna be making money now. I see Amazon stock. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be at 3,500 by this Friday. At that point, Amazon was like 3,100. I said it's gonna be at I put the option. It's gonna be at 3,500 by this Friday. I put in I think $2,500 from it. The next day, Amazon was at like $2,900, and I was like, it's fine. It's gonna go up again. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, no, I lost. I think maybe all of that money. For those of you who bought the course, in section 3, part 2, I think, video 2. So I think it might be the very last video of the course. I show what I did with Amazon, what I did wrong. After the Tesla trade, I woke up. So to go back to the original point, if you wake up and say, I'm going to put some money into this, it's going to go to the moon. It may happen. But you cannot do that consistently for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, for a month. No, you cannot. So yes, my very first trade, if someone comes up to me and says, you just put money into that and you got lucky, I will say to them, you're 100% correct. You are. I thought Tesla would go to, rise $10, $15 within a week, and it did it within a day. If you tell me you did that for 3 months, 4 months straight, and you were just lucky, I'll tell you you're a liar, because that's not possible. It is not possible. It's not luck. After a while, it's not luck. I don't see it as losing money. You pay to go to college, you pay market tuition to learn. That's it. That's a good way to think about it. I never thought about it like that until now. I thought about it as the way I thought about it was, I'm not good at this, but eventually if I lose enough money, I'll maybe be able to learn from my mistakes and become good at it. It's just a mindset. I knew that I was going to make money. I told myself, you've already made money once. You could do it again. Even though it took me a while to do it again, but I knew it was possible and I made it happen. Now going forward, again, do I want to do this full time? I think so, but I also want to be building. I'd rather be building businesses. I'll be honest with you guys. I would rather be building businesses. I like options and stuff, but I'd rather build something which is in my control. Even if it's drop shipping, even if it's whatever it may be. I'd rather build something that's in my control. I just got 2 more messages for the affiliating. In less than 2 months of trading, I learned I don't know what I don't know. Yeah, okay. And I learned that discipline is trading is very hard and greed and chasing is a constant struggle. Welcome to trading. Why do you think I've done so well with it? I'm so careful when I'm like picking. I'm like, do I want this? That's why I always come to you guys and say, I was going to invest in this, but I didn't do it. And now the stock shot up 30%. Because I don't jump into every trade. I say, do I want this? I'm not sure. Do I want to invest in that? I've done my research. I know that stock is going to rise in value, but I'm not sure. CDXC is a great example. Tuesday, the 9th of February or the 16th of February, one of those. I looked at that stock at $7 or $8 and I said, this is going up, because I'd done my research, of course. I said, this is going up, this is going up. It was on the day that I recorded the 3 Bitcoin currencies, the 3 cryptocurrency stocks to buy. That day, I looked at Chromodex and said, this is going to go up soon. I kept hesitating, it kept rising, it kept hesitating, and it kept rising. Eventually, when it got to $22, I said, this has been rising way too much. I've been watching this, it's time to get in. I didn't say it's going to continue to rise. I said, it's going down, it's going down. And it did that. There's always another trade. You know how many times I've taken my money out of a winning trade and the stock has gone even higher, and I said, oh, why didn't I leave my money in? And the next time I leave my money in, zoop. There's always another trade. You take your money out, you take profit, and you forget about what happened. Got to get these affiliates going. Make sure you guys sign up as well on that stuff, on that link to be an affiliate. The only thing I need to master now is YouTube. I'm not good at YouTube. Yep, exactly. You had the same with AT&T. Yep. What I can tell you is, don't worry, next one is coming. They need to get me on Yahoo Finance. You need to get me on Yahoo Finance. That's my goal. Actually, no, I've got a few different places I want to be on. Yahoo Finance, Forbes, and wait, I forgot the other one. Yahoo Finance. I'm trying to be on Forbes. I'm trying to be on, what's it called? Entrepreneur. Jeez, have I forgotten? I need to look that up. Hold up. Forbes, Entrepreneur, right? Entrepreneur magazine, right? Oh, let me hit that up. Let me just check, because I write these things down. Oh yeah, Thrive Global, Medium, Disrupt, Business Insider. I'm trying to be on Business Insider. Also trying to be on American Daily, Clout News. I'm trying to be on so many places. Medium as well. You'll be falling asleep to an info tonight. That's how you do it. Ah, man, I want you guys to succeed so badly. Like, come on, guys. Come on, guys. I want you guys to succeed. You got to make this happen. I need you guys to succeed. Make that money. Make that money. Like, that'll make me the happiest. I see you guys making the money. Yep. On the sideline, that's one of the best positions you can make, taking a cash position. If I'm not buying puts right now, I'll be honest with you, guys, I'm holding cash. I'm not going to try and buy call options. Yep. Bag holding is not the way. What other venues of income do you mean? What do you mean by that? East Media with BG. How are you going to come through without saying what's up? What's good? How you doing, man? I'm great. It's great. I'm grateful to have all the OGs in here. You know how it goes. These are the guys who always turn up. Right now, man, I'm staying away from those. I mean, well, I'm not staying away. I don't think they're going up. Well, you know what? Right now, I think they will go up. I think they're going still got more dropping to do. East Media with BG, you guys know he's a real one. So we've had a few some of you guys are always in this place. East Media with BG, you know what it is. Yeah, they did. They did. We're going to see what happens with them. You guys already DMing me. I saw everything before the drop. You are a smart man. I held on to my stuff, and I'm still holding it right now. I'm looking forward to taking a fat vacation. Thanks for the DMs, guys. I'm getting back to you slowly, and it's a lot. It's not easy. I get a lot a day. At least I know it sounds stupid, but I get a lot. At least 8 to 10 on Instagram, and another 5 to 7 on Twitter. Of course, I get messages on Discord too, so I'm trying to get back to them, one by one. But we've got to be money hungry in this place. Me and Chris saying, "Hey, listen, I'm not trying to call anyone out. What I will say is, your venue, not your venue. What I will say is, when the market is down now, I've seen less and less people showing up. What I'm going to say is, as the market has been down recently, I've seen less and less people uploading videos. I'm not calling anyone's name. I'm not calling anyone out. What I'm saying is, the real traders know that you can make money in a good market, in a bull market, in a green market. And the real traders know you can make money in a bear market, a red market, a bad market. I am one person who's making videos now when it's bad. I'm not saying I'm making money. I lost money this week. I'll tell you guys that straight up. I lost money this week. I'll tell you guys that straight up. But I still made certain profits because of certain plays I made. I know how to trade. That's why that's why you guys see it on screen there. Yeah? There. There. I know how to trade. That's why that is there. I can't say the same about everyone else. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna call nobody out. I'm just saying, if your favorite guru, I already mentioned this earlier, so I don't want to dwell on it too long. If your favorite guru is not speaking up right now and not staying with the same energy that they stayed with when we had a bull market and all the stocks were rising up, that tells you something. That's what I'm gonna tell you. That's what I'm gonna tell you. There's a reason I'm on this. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm not calling anybody out. Burpees. That's true. You keeping it real? Yep, I am. Yep. I mean, what other ways do you want to generate income? I have a smartwatch company. I'm trying to take this to the next level. I know you guys are not interested. I'm fine. I'm cool with that. But I'm trying to take this to the next level. This is like my baby. We've been launched for 2 years and 4 days now. Actually, the first Friday of March, 2 years ago, I launched this. Now it's also Friday, the first Friday of March. This is what I'm trying to take to the next level. And this is way more difficult than you think. People want to learn about stocks and making money. People don't want to give you money to buy one of these, which is fine. But I got to learn how to get that from within me and make it happen. East Media BG, I got to market myself. I've got to become more marketable. I've got to find way more ways to sell. I just learning still, strengthening my mind and learning more. All you folks have been in the market way longer. You right? I'm looking for investors. Unfortunately, I have some bad news. I missed out on funding a few months ago. It was going to be close to 6-figure funding, so I missed out on that. So my babies, I still got to do everything from the ground up myself. It's not easy. I was a bit disappointed with that. Yeah, like they reached out to me. They saw what we were doing. They asked me a load of questions. I did the interview. I passed the first round. I got to the round where I got to apply for the funding, and I did my application and everything. Unfortunately, I didn't win. So yeah, I'm looking for investors. I'm looking for models. I'm looking for anybody who can make it happen. Do you guys want to see a couple of the watches? Also, Put that watch on someone like Shaq or Kardashian, and you're golden. That's facts. I, I have people who well known who wore my watches in the NFL. In well, you guys, I don't know if you guys know Wayne Rooney. I don't think you guys will know Wayne Rooney. I'm looking for investors. Yeah, Wayne Rooney. I can show you guys the picture. Wayne Rooney had it as well. But yeah, he plays soccer, by the way, if anyone wondering. I actually met him like a few days before we launched. No, Wayne Rooney is a soccer player from England. He used to play with like David Beckham, play with Cristiano Ronaldo in Man United. Yeah, Wayne Rooney as well. You guys probably don't know Jay Ajayi from the Philadelphia Eagles. He's actually a family friend. He has 2 of my watches. If anyone likes NFL, yeah, Jay Ajayi, he won the Super Bowl in 2018. I was gassed. I was so happy. I was lit. What do my watches do? Should we have a look, quick, brief look, if you guys don't mind? They do a lot though. They track heart rate. They track, your sleep schedule. They track your steps during the day. They do a lot, and we have a few different models for men, men, women. We don't really have a specific kids model per se. Make sure you guys go check that. Let me know if you want to be involved in my thingy. TimeGear. This is my website, people. Here we are, the very first one on Google. I've done my optimization. Yes, sir. How does it stand out from the big boy ones? Easy. It's a cheap, affordable model compared to the big boy ones. It does everything they do, and you don't need to pay $400, $500 for one of those watches. Now, you might say theirs are more durable, but I don't think though. If you do heavy testing with ours, you're not going to beat us. You're not going to find something that, you know, that is quicker. You might have maybe an Apple Watch or a Garmin, which has a very slightly quicker processor, slightly faster processor. But you're not going to find one which is doing everything you need, tracking your heart rate, taking your steps, telling you guys when you need to drink water, come with an alarm, come with all that. $400. You're not going to find that anywhere in the market. If you're looking at your Garmins, your Apples, you're looking at your Samsung watches, you're looking at your Fitbits, even if they still exist, you're looking at all these kind of watches. All these are my competitors, and all of these are way bigger than me. They all have a way larger percentage of the market share. That's fine. All I need is 1% of the market share. You can answer calls from it. You cannot make calls from it. It runs on Android and it runs on iOS as well. We have a software which, depending on whichever mobile device you have, all you need to do is connect to an app, and you're good to go. We have multiple different apps. So for this watch I'm wearing, the app is called Fundo. I'll write it in the chat. But we have different apps for different models of the watches. Now, what I like about my watches, not only that they look really nice, but they get the job done, people. And it's without, you don't have to break the bank. You can watch this little video if you want. Let's just watch this. People, don't leave the live stream. Maybe I can't watch because I'm live streaming. I think I can't watch because I'm live streaming. Yeah. It says I need to stop the live stream so you guys watch this video. Is that really the case though? Yeah, you can't, unfortunately. Let me know your thoughts, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Tell me the honest facts. I run this all my own. I do this all my own. I've been doing this for 2 years now. It's not easy. I've created my whole website. So for the Apple Watch, for the first Apple Watch, I can put the bands on, but no other Apple Watches. It's a bit strange. How did you get started with production? Just wake up one day and do what? I started this, it took me about 6 months, and it took me a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of contacting a lot of people in East Asia and also Taiwan, also California. I'm missing a country, not Vietnam. I'm missing a country. But I message people all over the world. And eventually I got to this point where I have 6 different models. So I have the TimeGear Action. That's the one I'm wearing right here in the live stream. This is the TimeGear Action. I have the TimeGear Beta. That's what a lot of ladies like, this one. A lot of ladies like this one. Yeah, I see. They can change the band, but we have different colored bands, and I think this is just sufficient. You know, if you want to get my third one, TimeGear, my fourth one, TimeGear Destiny, we also have different bands on this one, but they're just not available yet because it's sold out. We're still waiting for restock. But I'm telling you guys, these watches are the real deal. I know that for a fact. TimeGear C4 is another popular one because it's very similar to the Fitbit. You have 5 different models, 5 different colors of it. So you have the black with the silver, you have the pink with the gold, you have the black with the gold, which is a buyer's favorite. You have a blue with the silver, and another black one. It is not, but it should be. I think for those of you who are business people, you guys can keep giving me the tips. And we have the 2 latest models which we released last summer during the coronavirus, and actually both have been selling well during the coronavirus. TimeGear Essence, which comes in black, white, or a very nice rose gold. Again, people really love it. And now, finally, you have the TimeGear. Hold on, TimeGear Focus. Yeah, a lot of people say I need to get it on Amazon. Our conversation needs to expand more than just trading. Check your DM on Discord. Your watches are too nice. Okay, I got you. But I don't, I've made a whole email list of models and stuff that I want to contact, but I've not got around to doing it yet. As you can probably see, I deal a lot with so many different things, every single day. I checked my message on Discord. I'm not seeing anything. But yeah, people, this is really what I have for a long-term goal. I really want to make this happen. So I made this whole for myself. Yeah, that's the one I'm wearing right now. There you can see the steps, the number of calories burnt, the kilometers, I've done. But honestly, people, I need more fitness models wearing this. I need more people wearing it. I need more people advertising it. Your Fitbit stopped working a couple of months ago. Guess it's a divine message to get a new watch. I 1000% agree. And guess what? I've also got an affiliate program for that. So if you like them, if you're a big fan of them, that works out too. Send out samples to Amazon YouTube reviewers. East Media BG, because you like talking business. I hope you hope Mr. BG see my business online. Yes, it's trademarked. So and we're set up so nobody's allowed to do nothing. We're good on that front. Took me like a while to get that set up, but eventually I did. So we're good. So you need to get it on Amazon. Send out samples to Amazon YouTube reviewers, and there's and there's your marketing. Okay, your bands need to be interchangeable app bands, current models. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm still learning. It's been 2 years, but I'm still learning every day. I love what I do. I love my business. I love this smartwatches. I feel like these are the best out there. Honestly, the feedback I've got from customers and clients, I feel like these are the best out there. My opinion, but I think they're the best. Took me longer than that to trademark because I was a bit slow with the process. I started creating these smartwatches back in October 2018. I remember sitting in my car at McDonald's. So the person who asked me, maybe that was Let me see if I can go back and find that comment. T Withy. Hopefully you're still in the chat. Hopefully you're still in the live stream. How did I get started with production? Did I just wake up? No, I was sitting in the car at McDonald's. I think it was either my lunch break or after work on a Friday. Either afternoon or I guess like 5 o'clock. So I was in the car park at McDonald's, and I was like, I just don't got no money. I got no money. I need something, and I was like, it's always about business, business, business. I was like, and that's the day I started looking into it. I started messaging my brother. He's at home. I was like, man, I need to get some money. Like, I can't keep being broke like this. I need to make something happen. That was the day I really came up, like I wrote down a list of things on my notes on my phone, and I decided what I was going to do going forward. This is it. It's a tough market, but answers always no if one don't ask. I got a lawyer for one and then realized it's not that hard and got another one myself. Yep, that's good. That's how you do it. It's that simple. Sorry, peeps. Don't want to get emotional, but that day. I was in the car and I was like, I ain't got no money. I was like, I need to make something happen. So I'm happy you guys like it. Please continue to give me all the advice possible. I'm always taking advice. I'm trying to learn more about TimeGear and learn more about smartwatch business in general. Any more questions? Because I love in this live stream so far. Like, you guys are just bringing out all my business ideas, everything. Honestly, guys, just keep coming with the questions. Like, there's been so much going on in the past few years. I'm just trying to make it. So any little helps. I'm just trying to make it, peeps. Any retailers have them? Not anymore. Yeah, I need to really push. I need to push way harder, but I just don't know how. I don't know the best approach. Like I said, I've got a whole email list. I've got a whole Excel spreadsheet. I've got exactly my text that I'm going to write to people depending on who they are and what they do. But I just don't have, I'm still missing the approach, the actual application of what I'm doing. That's what I'm missing now. Jody Leonardo, I wonder if you're still here. Same with East Media with BG. You guys did say you were still here, so I want to just check. But, man. It's been a long, long, long journey. I'm thinking about it now. What else do you guys want to know about my business and stuff? So I need to get them out to retailer. I'm going to write some stuff down. Mr. James still in the building. Anyone else got some advice for my smartwatches? I would definitely like to know everybody's thoughts I'm doing a little bit of research right now on the stocks and stuff like that. I don't know. Some of this stuff is really intriguing me. How do you get into Amazon on the Prime program? Ever since I started, everybody keeps telling me get into Amazon, get into Amazon, get into Amazon. I've already got some reviews on it, but yeah, I do. I do have that code. Every guys, you guys don't even know how much stuff I've tried. Every YouTuber I've messaged in the past 2 years, it's maybe even over 50 YouTubers. Not one single person has answered yet. One person's answered. You guys might know of Nate O'Brien. He said he only works with products that he's purchased. So he only, yeah. So that was a no-no. But it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. I think they're nice. I like changing my bands frequently. I do have multiple bands, but I just don't know if I know what to do. I'll check Mark Monroe. You just ship. Is that Amazon FBA? Is that the same thing as Amazon FBA or not? Let me know if that's the same thing as Amazon FBA because some people told me about that. Mark Monroe. Okay, I'll find out. So Mark Monroe, is that YouTube? You need to ship the product to Amazon warehouse. They will charge you to stock and ship it, and you'll be on Prime, and then solicit YouTube reviews. Okay, cool. But I reached out to a lot of YouTubers, and they just don't answer. I don't know what to do. Oh, the same come up serious. You told me about this. Okay. Someone please help. Alexis Marie. Is that the same as starting a selling account or registering for a business account on Amazon? I think I can actually answer that. That's the same as a business. No, hold up. I made a video on this. I can't remember. I'll be honest with you. Give it a shot. You're right. You can solicit Amazon reviews too. That's true. Any other ideas? Keep the ideas coming. Keep the ideas coming. Yeah, the whole aim of Amazon is to keep them making more money than you do. That was one of the initial issues I had with Amazon, working on Amazon, but I didn't. I mean, I'm not going to use it as an excuse, but just saying. Amazon are very evil, definitely. Oh, it looks like we're losing few viewers. Okay, people, let's keep the hot conversation going. It was going well, really, like for solid 25 minutes. So I need to know if people are still in this place. But yeah, so what did you guys think of the watches? Like, honestly, if you have questions, let me know. I want to know what your honest thoughts are. I want to know what your guys' honest thoughts are. Finish your way into some TV show. Yeah, I might try to do that. Well, for cheap items, it's about volume. Yours is not cheap. I'm talking about 25 and below, so it could work for you. That's true. That's true. Yeah, if I finesse my way into a TV show, I think that would help. I don't know though. Nowadays, it's more hard to succeed. That doesn't make me feel good. I chose a very tough market to get into, and when I started, I knew exactly what I was getting myself into. But you guys know me. I believe in myself. I like to hustle. I like to put in the work. So yeah, I knew what I was getting into. I made more money on my first day of my pre-orders of my course than I did my first day of selling smartwatches. So I know what it is. Digital products are more in demand. Even like wireless headphones that look like AirPods or something like that. People like those kind of things more. It's not an easy market, but I'll do my best. You guys know me. You guys know what I like. Even the finance market is not the best on YouTube. It's very tough to get into. It takes, there's certain people who break free and who really make money, but not everybody. I haven't worn a watch since I was 13 years old. Tell me about it. If you can source a product and someone else can't, you already got a leg up. Now, I can source basically anything with my fingers and it's 99% marketing. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so times have really changed. Yeah, I don't know what else I can do for the watches. I'm doing all my best, to be honest. Do a search for those exercise bands. Basically, they're just a handful of factories in China that pumps it out. You can see how many bands there are on Amazon. Yep. Did you say exercise brands or exercise bands? Yeah, that's true. It's just whoever gets in front of more eyes, that's what it is right now. Whoever can get themselves in front of more people's eyes, that's what it is. Oh, resistance bands, you mean? You mean oh. I already stalked Mark Cuban. I tried all that kind of stuff. You know me, I try a load of crazy things. Nowadays, driving to the bottom is not a good move unless you have volume. You're speaking facts. You're speaking facts. It's not easy though. You gotta remember that. Like, I gotta find something that will make someone buy my watches over somebody else's watches. You gotta remember that Apple have a way bigger name than me. If I tell somebody, "Hey, come buy my watch for $99," and Apple says, "Hey, come buy mine for 300," they're more likely to get customers. So I have to, you know what I mean? I have to come up with something. I just use gravity. You smart guy. In artists though, but would artists, that's the thing. Would artists wear a smartwatch? Do you get what I mean? That's my problem. Would artists wear, I need like athletes, fitness girls, models. Those are the kind of people I need. Maybe introduce a high-end watch with some crystals or some junk and charge a lot. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. These are good points. These are good points. You guys see, this is why it's good to network with people who are older than you, who have been in the game longer, who've got more experience. This is it. This is it. This is it. I'm putting down all these notes. Do people even like smartwatches? Facts. I need to. You need to get. You need to give me your number. I need to get you that money. Come and get your check. You're giving so many gems out here. You're giving some good gems out here. Brennan Billwood, you guys have got the gems. Hey, I need to start noting everything down. Yo, I need to. In fact, I'm gonna put a timestamp in as well. These guys have got the gems. Yes. And that could charge more as well. Most get Apple Watch. Everybody has an Apple Watch. Even my friends have an Apple Watch when they already bought my watch. Any other more ideas, people? More ideas, more ideas. I need those ideas. I've got to find more ways to make this money. What do they have then? The people. I mean, I got some drip. I got some drip. I did that. Didn't really work. There was a soccer club, like a pretty big soccer club in Maryland, and I tried to. I still have all the designs on my phone, and I tried to get it to them. Didn't really work out. Kind of sucky. I'll still try again. I'm trying to think what else I can do. How else I can do it. There's so many ways I can market it. See, but if you look at the ones I showed you guys don't think any of these are good enough? I know not everybody wears it till child time, but what do you guys think about this? None of these, you don't like none of these? Let me know your thoughts. You guys don't know none of these? Hold up. So it looks like you guys are rocking with them, which is a nice sign. But you guys are saying you wouldn't like. I don't know. I already made them a smartwatch company. All I need to do is tweak it a bit. I don't want to change my whole brand. You know what I mean? We have a whole Instagram page, Twitter page, everything devoted to this. I don't want to change my whole brand, but I get what you guys are saying. There's many ways to skin this. You know what I mean? There's many ways to skin this. I think they look kind of nice. I mean, this one is kind of unique, kind of. Well, let me show you this. Tell me if this is rugged enough when you say rugged. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think about this. Okay, so I would like to know you guys' opinions on this one, just looks wise. It's actually really, really good functionality wise, but I just want to know your thoughts looks wise. Would a woman wear the white one or the rose gold, or is it not really? Okay, okay, I see what you mean. Throw money into stocks, that's not a bad way to do it. But I'm thinking, thanks for the feedback so far, but I'm kind of thinking, what kind of a watch would a woman like then? Because I thought these were nice looking designs. Now I'm kind of confused. You guys say it's not looking nice. So, what is a nice looking watch? Well, you said the Destiny. Those are just so hard to get though, and they're really expensive for me. Like, so I need to bump up the price of them. I don't know if people will buy them for a higher price, but yeah, these are. I think this is my second most expensive. It's pretty tough. That's why there's a reason it's always sold out. Yeah, women's is where it's at. But like I said, I have a whole document Excel where I have everybody listed up who I want to target, so I can still target them. But you said you don't think I should target women bodybuilders. I have a whole like my whole Instagram, the whole Instagram and YouTuber thingy that I did is all of it is influencers who are lifting weights every day. I can show you some of their profiles. I have them listed down. They're all of them bodybuilders. So I don't know what you think about that. Do you know how many women that don't even know how to get a picture out of their iPhone? Yes, I know many of them. And I'm like, and they have the latest iPhone. I'm like, and then they change from like the iPhone 6 or 7 to like the 11 Pro or the 12 Pro. And I'm like, and I know they don't know what they're doing. Yeah, that's true. So, okay. So but you said I should keep with watches, but just make it more about the fashion and how it looks. So I can still target women in that case. This guy knows his stuff. Headband. Yeah, okay. Now I'm getting the gems. Thank you. I needed this. But the thing is, some of the stuff you guys are saying, I have a pendant brand that I'm trying to do right now. And I've been trying to do that as well as bracelet. Now you guys have forced me to get it because I'll show you guys what made me want to do the bracelet. Oh, actually, wait, you can see it already on screen. This is what made me want to do a bracelet. Not like this, but I wanted to make a kind of bracelet like this and sell it on Facebook because I have a really big Facebook following. I created a page last year and I've just grown it to 11,000 followers. So a bracelet like this just to wear. The Destiny is nice. The Essence is small, cute, and sleek. Fine accessories to complement the watches, bands, bracelets, heck, throw in a headband. I'm still trying to figure out my phone. I feel that. I feel like we scared away half of the watchers because they wanted to come here for stocks, not headbands. But this is important to me because it's my future, my money. It's where I'm going to get my pay from. Okay, so men are the same too. So women are not going to wear this. Just be honest with me, straight up. Women are not, because I think like 2 women. Yeah, I think 1 or even 2 only that I bought this one. Tell me the truth, straight up. Tell me your thoughts. Men buy monster trucks. That's true. Tell me your thoughts on this one. Tell me honestly. Even though it's got really good functionalities. And crystals, incorporate crystals somehow and you're winning. I got to take notes. Crystals? That just kind of hit my head. Crystals? What the? Hey, I need to take hella notes. So give me 5 most important factors, or not factors. Give me 5 important accessories or accessories or crystals. So yeah, please give me the 5 most important factors or accessories that I should be considering. I might have to change my whole name, right? At this point. Oh, my notebook, my TimeGear notebook. Oh, that's upstairs or downstairs. Blings. Okay. Okay, so you think, but you guys can feel free to tell me if you think it's ugly or you think no one would wear it. That's fine. Crystals, pretty colors, shiny colors. I don't know if they like shiny colors, they like diamonds, or they like glistening something. Let me look back through the chat. Do people still wear headbands? I'm not sure about that one. Hey guys, we have had about 15 different people tune into this live. We only have 8 likes. Please drop that thumbs up. SQQQ, I say yes to. Neo, I say yes to as long as it's below $32. Shiny gets you the money. You're not fond of what one? Shiny? Mr. James, You tell me what do women like to have on their wrist to show off? Getting all the opinions from the honeys. All of the honeys. My dad rolled up foil when I was little, and that's all I played with because it was shiny. So you want me to? So I need one more point. I've written down 4 points. So I wrote down crystals, bands, bracelets, and I need to hear more things, peeps. I don't know about the woman market. That's why I'm not succeeding. Maybe. Let me try something. Might not work here. Let me see what you guys think. Harleys. What do you guys think about this? Or it's not really it? This is what I was kind of thinking of selling. I don't know if you guys what you guys think. But you guys got to remember, I'm still in the fitness niche, so I need to be careful. I don't just buy random things that no one would ever wear. Because if I buy stuff that nobody would ever wear, then I'm not going to be. Yeah, I need something that fitness people would wear because that's the industry I'm targeting. Maybe you have to have your target market. Mine is the fitness industry. Charm bracelets. So I would be selling charm bracelets with my thingy or alone. Right, hit the likes up because we only at 8 likes. My guy that just came in and he asked for the stock advice and then he dipped. I don't mind that, but you gotta come on. You gotta give some. But guys, I gotta. I remember I'm targeting people who show fitness and who are working in the gym every day and on Instagram showing that kind of stuff. So I need to kind of be smart with it too. Okay. If I try this might work. This might not work. Hold up. Nope. This is not working. Nope. 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 So um, you're limiting your number of potential buyers to how many fitness into fitness versus the rest. Fact more about that. Yeah, yeah, I like this idea. This is the idea I like. This is what I'll go with. But I don't know what kind of bracelet it would be like. That's why I need to design that still. Yeah, yeah, I might have to branch out. That's true. What about these kind of things? These complement the watch. I don't know if people would wear them in the gym, but I don't know if that matters though. But I think these were are kind of nice. I know what you guys think. What do you guys think about these? If there's anyone that catches your eye, let me know. Hey, nice to have you here. Thanks for tuning in. I like these points you're making. I like these points you're making. Hmm. Yeah. So what's FUD? Fear of drought. I need to find out what FUD means. Is this what you guys are talking about? Yeah. So we're back to fashion. So what do we do, peeps? I'm just trying to think. Yeah, probably not, right? I can't imagine anything from Psycho that come with something like that. Yeah, so I don't know what to look for now, but it's good that I've got some ideas from you guys. Why do I get the craziest DMs? Sorry, peeps, I get the craziest DMs. Yeah, it's different now, right? Yeah, I don't have that kind of support around here. I like what you're saying, though. Find the problem, deliver the solution. Right? Find the pain points, find out what people are missing, what people want to see, and that's about it. That's about it. I'm just doing a little bit of research right now. Yeah, I don't really have a unique solution right now, do I? You could do a course on product research. I can delete the chat after if you need me to because this is a load of gems and I'm taking notes. Trust me on that one. I don't need a training course on burpees though. But through all this discussion, we didn't actually come to a conclusion of what I'm going to do. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do. I've been thinking about this. I got my work. I always do. If it's, I got a call the other day, and people wanted to know more about how to start investing in the stock market, like regularly investing. And they said, can I create like a real guide from start to finish how to do that? I said, I'm on it, and I'm starting to do it right now as well. It never stops. It never ends. It never ends. It's like I'm always doing something new. And I keep getting DMs now and people asking me on how to trade stocks. And I have to answer them because I know, what's on the line. You got your work cut out for you, boss. As always. I don't know how people keep messaging me. I mean, it's cool, it's good, it's good. But it's like I have so many people are like, how do you make how do I do this? Because there's so much stuff to do. 24/7 I'm doing something or another. In Chinese we call business live work because business is alive, it's never static, it's constantly changing. It's ever going, it's ever present, it's constantly moving. We still haven't hit 10 likes after 2.5 hours. This is why I might stop YouTube, man. At this point, like 2.5 hours and I didn't get 10 likes, peeps. Come on, man. I got a lot of stuff to do. Business never stops. The DMs never stop. It's like if you're not, man, no way Ray made it. No way Ray made it here. Ray, I would like to know your opinions on this. So I own a smartwatch. So let me just break it down to you. I keep getting DMs and DMs and DMs. This is why I don't go on Instagram. This is exactly why I don't go on Instagram. This is exactly why. I'm so happy to have you guys here as well. Well, this is exactly why I don't go on Instagram because I like your opinions on this. One sec. Sorry, I have to. So many DMs. This is why I do not go. Okay, yep. So we've been discussing this for about an hour and 20 minutes now. Let me get your opinion. One sec. Um, so I own a smartwatch company, TimeGear watches. I have men's and women's watches. It's mainly for fitness peeps, but we're trying to like kind of do a rebranding here. So yeah, let me just show you my website a bit, and I wanted to get your opinion on what ladies like and what's you know what sells basically. I'm just trying to get this is my smartwatch brand, TimeGear watches. First link. So I got men's and women's watches, like I said. Let me show you. I will need your opinion. What's nice? What do women like? Be honest as well. If it's shiny objects, if how we can make it a bit better. So here's these three are all women's watches, of course. This one is. And let me know if you want me to slow down or whatever. If you need more time to look at it. So this, yeah, this is okay. Not a lot of people. I don't think a lot of people like this one. Again, let me know your thoughts. We were talking about, yeah, I have a company. We were talking about crystals and stuff. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna let me just go through a little bit of them, a few of them. Sorry. Yeah, but be honest. Would like do ladies like this one or even this one, or did they like the one with crystals on it? Like not crystals, but you know what I mean. So this one, I think you're referring to this one. Let me know if you're referring to this one. Okay, cool. You like that one. Now let me know your thoughts on. So we have men's and women's for that one. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Oops. Sorry. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Okay, you don't like that one as much. Okay. That one is actually the one that sold out most. So I didn't. That's interesting. Let me know your thoughts on this. Rose gold. I would like to know your thoughts. You really like the rose gold one as well. That's interesting. Hmm. But you like accessories as well, I'm guessing. Like, having some extra nice things on there, like a little, I don't know, headband or whatever. I don't know. Yeah. No, if your wrist hits against something, they don't break easily. They've gone through a proper quality control test. They look breakable. That's interesting. That's very interesting. No, they don't. The only issues we've had is if you go too deep in water, then sometimes it messes up with the software a little bit and how fast the watches react. Another issue we have had is if you go through sometimes, yeah, this is more technical issues, software issues, connecting with the apps that we have for the watches. They sometimes it's a bit really slow and don't connect properly, and you have to disconnect and restart your phone and all that kind of stuff. But that's the main issues. They're not breakable at all. In fact, they're very durable, so that's good. But yeah, okay, that's interesting. Yeah, they're waterproof. They're waterproof, dustproof, and whatever the other one is, steam proof or whatever. Definitely waterproof. For those wondering, the newer ones are IP67 IP68 waterproof. The old ones are so the top two are IP67 waterproof. Is anybody still in the live stream? I feel like we started off talking about stocks, then we moved slowly to business, and everybody started to leave when we started talking about my smartwatch company. I'm gonna show it off all day long. This is my most important thing. Forget about any stocks. This is my most important thing. Okay, no worries. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for swinging by. We've been on 2.5 hours, so we'll be rounding up soon anyway. Appreciate you coming by and appreciate you giving your opinion. That's great. Thanks for hitting the like as well. I believe you did because we're at 10 likes now. So yeah. What's good, Mr.? Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, what's good, Mr. KJP11? Should you still invest? The answer is always yes, but it depends how much cash you have. Also, I just want to put this again in the chat because a few of you guys have just purchased it today. Let me throw this in there. Yeah, but yeah, you should be 1K. You have cash 1K. I'll be honest with you. What you want to do, and I'm not even joking here, is learn before you go and invest in the market. This will help you. It's up to you, of course, but I want to. A few people bought it during this live stream actually, which was really nice. Kept getting the notifications, and they didn't say anything in the chat, so I don't know if they're still around. But yeah, um, it's only 69 bucks. So if you want to take time to learn before you end up wasting money, learn when the stock is too high, too low, or whatever. Yeah, that would definitely help you. Um, okay, so that's good. That's good. You learned. Yeah. So if you learn, that's fine. You might not need to do any more learning, but yeah, I give you guys the breakdown from start to finish. So I'm happy to hear that you've been learning though. But yeah, is now you said that apparently everything is going down. Yeah, a lot of things are going down right now. Um, I think what the problem is, a lot of people don't realize that it's always the right time to invest. You can never really get to the bottom and then invest. Like when you hit the bottom, before you know it, you're up again. But be careful because there's a lot of opportunity in the market, but there's also a lot of opportunity for you to lose money. So be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. So do you think that CDXC is on a good trend? I don't know if you watched my video earlier. You should have watched it earlier. My answer to CDXC is right there. So you really think Tesla's going to hit the 400s? I think it might. Okay, you didn't have time. That's fine. I made a video on CDXC today, and I do think CDXC is a tough one. It's one of those that's going to continue to rise, but it's going to also have those heavy drops. Overall, if you're long-term investing, you're fine with CDXC. If you want to get a swing trade or a day trade, it's going to be a lot more difficult. Yeah, I uploaded a video right today. It was called How I Made 140% Returns in the Market or something today. That was CDXC that got me that. And again, in that starter pack, I explain everything how to do that. Do I have Tesla? If Tesla goes in the 400s, I will show you guys the meaning of loading. No, sorry, of buying the dip. Yeah, please do check that video out. It gives you the start, the lowdowns. It gives you the. One last question? Keep asking me many questions. Ask me more questions. Do I think GameStop will go up in the next weeks or months? Yes, but it's going to have its heavy dips. I've been invested in GameStop and I've made money off GameStop. I've never lost trading GameStop. And I know it's going to have its heavy dips. It's not going to continue to just rise like that. It will not. I'm going to start to hand out flyers for a getaway driver. Where are you getting away? For Tesla, or what do you mean? Make sure you fall asleep listening to that course tonight. If there's nothing you understand, then yeah, let me know. But you have some shares, so you're waiting. Okay, cool. Yeah, be careful with GameStop. I bought it at $39 and I sold it at 125. That's my story with GameStop. Can we say bandit? Getaway Bandit or what? Man, you guys make this fun. You guys make this so fun. I love it. Every time I do buy any not too expensive stocks, should I go for 10 shares or 10 or 20 shares? Depends what you're buying. Because me, I go for 100 shares or 125 shares. But then again, a lot of these stocks that I'm buying are growth stocks. And if we've seen in the market now, if that happens, then you lose out with growth stocks. So you've got to be careful. Ten shares or 20 shares, it depends on what stocks you're buying. If they're value stocks, if they're growth stocks. If you're buying value stocks right now, and you want to buy right now, I would go for growth stocks. Sorry, value stocks right now. If you want to buy because you want them to increase in price and bring you back more money, then just be careful. 10 shares, ease into it. Do you have any suggestions for good one-day trades? I have plenty. I have plenty of them. I have plenty of good suggestions. Let's get this bread. Stimulus bill. Let's get this bread, people. Can you tell me a few, please? Yeah, depends what you're looking for. If you give me a price range, I can give you some. $20 to $40? Yes. I'll give you a few. Palantir, CCIV, ChargePoint. I won't say that's a good one. ChargePoint, I won't say that's a good one. Palantir and CCIV. If you want a solid stock, Dropbox. Dropbox is a solid stock. Also Mara, that's a cryptocurrency stock. How long do you think this correction will last? I want to say to the same period it ended last year. So that's in 2 or 3 weeks, isn't it? Wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin rally this weekend. I agree. I don't think it will though, but I agree. Hey man, feel free to come by anytime, ask me any questions. Again, if you need that course, it's there. I show you guys all the resources I use, the resources I don't talk about on YouTube. I show you guys how I scan for stocks on a daily basis for good day trades. Let me know. On Monday, where you at? Yeah, we'll see what happens Monday. I don't know, man. See, when we talk about stocks, a lot more people come through. When we talk about my smartwatches, everyone leaves. That tells you enough. This is not the market for smartwatches. This is not the target audience for smartwatches anyway. Why I get so many messages? Also, I just want to clarify for you guys. Obviously, in the stock options course, just to clarify, I do not go through indicators and candlesticks or patterns like that. I don't go into depth, but I will be doing that in the stock market course. But I think that's not really for you guys. There are a few people who were newer to the market who are asking me about that. I think that would be more relevant for them. But I just wanted to point that out, just in case anyone was wondering. I just wanted to clarify that. My man came for some gems. He took his gems and he left. That's fine. I don't mind that as long as you hit the likes. That's cool. I'm jobless at the moment. I need to play, cuz. Be careful, be careful, be careful. I did that before. It's not the way to go. You want to make sure you first get the money and then you can take the risks. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Because even I lose money. Remember that. I lose money. I'm transparent with you guys. I lose money too. So be careful. You need to play. I told you about those put options. But for real, it's difficult, you know? But those put options are available. That's what I'm saying. I'm liking those put options right now. Still going into the second week of March. I'm liking those put options. I'll tell you that. He said puts make me nervous, huh? How? How does that work? If you look at the Discord, yeah, he said it. If you look at the Discord, we put some plates in there, and I do, you know, not every single player is right, but there's a load of times we're like, oh yeah, G Sky is gonna be this and that. Oh yeah, this one is doing this or that. There's a lot of people selling this right now. The volume needs to increase. Blah blah blah. We we that Discord is your gym. Yeah, don't. You said puts make you nervous. Be careful. That's worrying for me when I hear that because you got to be able to make money in both markets. Remember that. Be careful with your put options. All of my woodies coyotes we sticking together, we coming like shatters. Put a track on them, you love it cause she coming through like the coon squad. I got different designers, alarm, coops on coops. I love this trading stuff. Now I got your attention. I trap every day that the rich do. How do I feel about day trades? I don't really like them. I feel like you're not maximizing your profit. That's how I feel personally. I prefer to swing trade. I'm not a huge fan of day trading. But I'll be honest, day trading has brought me to where I am today. Without day trading, I wouldn't be here. Because me buying something and then seeing it go up and up and up and getting excited and selling it within the same day and then deciding, I don't want to lose my profits made me become disciplined. But now that I've got a little bit more money to play with and a bit more money to lose, I'm like, okay, I can let it run out for a couple of days. Oh, it dipped. I'm cool. I'll hold it. Swing trader. Day traders, I don't really like them. But I feel like you're not maximizing profit and you're doing too much work with little reward in comparison. I may be wrong. You guys might think differently, but that's how I see it. I don't like day trading at all, but it's definitely helped me become more disciplined. Yes. I think you just copied what I said, especially patterns. Swing traders, my friend. Yep. A lady claims she pulled 2 bands and more day trading using candles. That's very tough. It's possible. Remember, I told you guys I don't hate. Things are possible, but it's extremely difficult. Using candles. 2 bands and more. To be honest with you guys, there's been crazier things. I seen a guy this week put in 6 or 8K and something and come back with 140K. It happens. Don't mean it's likely, but it happens. I need that stimulus check. People, we're almost at 3 hours of live stream. I might go live again tomorrow if you guys want. I need 150K of Tesla right now. I don't. I need the rest of my growth stocks to start moving. So people, I don't know what we're gonna do. Like, we almost done. But should I go live again tomorrow? Do you guys have more questions? Yo, I'll check you out tomorrow, bro. Bless, most definitely watch the video tonight. Appreciate that. Please let me know if you have any questions. Anybody, I spread it around on Shanghai, Neo, VW, VSR, CCIV, Tesla no longer only playing the field, but the data on auto driving is their biggest asset. That's true. But what the hell is this? I'm gonna go live again tomorrow. I don't know what you guys think about that. Three 3 a.m. All the pullback on EVs, even out all the players. Blah, blah, marketing the same. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but let me just clarify something. So Thursday evening, I have soccer. I had soccer practice. I got back and then I did some stuff, and then I recorded a video. The one I uploaded today, I recorded it at 2 a.m. Yeah, I think 2:30, and I stayed awake until 5. Then I no even later, like 5:45, I think, and I woke up at 9:15. So I've been super tired. My back is hurting. My body's aching. No, not anymore. Not anymore. I'll be back there in like 2 months. Yeah. So I'm so shattered. Like the sleep I'm gonna sleep tonight, well, hopefully it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, the sleep I'm gonna sleep tonight is gonna be dumb. That's why I was saying, should I like log off? Like I put a lot of work into this YouTube stuff, so when I get that watch time, yeah. I do put a lot of grind and work into YouTube, so I hope it plays off. Right, only 3 people watching. I think it's time to head out. It's been another great one, peeps. Right, that's true. And I think I do that a lot. I think I do that way too much for YouTube. Those 7 hour live streams and stuff, I think I need to just chill a bit. I'm not getting paid for this, remember that. So I need to just chill a bit. Yeah, I just put in so much grind for this, so you're right. A tree does take time to grow. Oh yeah, run it silent. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I forgot about that. I completely forgot about that. Hello, hello, hello. Appreciate that. I appreciate that. I was just showing the peeps as well. If you want to check this out, feel free. A few people actually purchased it during this live stream, so it makes this 3 hours a bit more worth it. I got paid about $100 for 3 hours of work. YouTube, it's just work. Yeah, yeah, it's just WHS. Yeah, 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 yeah. Peeps, this YouTube thing is a grind. Which stock is my biggest conviction? Easy. CCIV. Hopefully I get those hours. Which stock is your biggest conviction? Yeah, I don't think monetization is all that. Okay, I've got a few more affiliates. Please let me know if you want an affiliate as well. Some people keep asking me. Still getting affiliates right now, so please let me know. 50% commission, 50% fee for you guys if you get it. You did the research. Okay. No wonder you know about all this. I need to, guys, I need to go sleep, relax, wake up and enjoy my Saturday. Make some nice rice in the afternoon and just enjoy the day. That's what I think I need to do. This is why I'm spending more time in stocks and trying to find evergreen vids. My cooking vids likes it. Yep, that's true. Curve Finance, please do check all the other videos out. Please do. I would appreciate it so much. Mr. Burp Yoga Uncle, thanks a lot again. This wouldn't be possible without you. One thing I do ask, if you can, please do. I really appreciate it. If you could go and put a testimonial, I have a testimonials tab in the Discord. In the main Discord, in the left hand side, it says testimonials. Please, I'd really appreciate if you could just write a little thing about if I've helped you in any way. You know, when it comes to options, when it comes to making money, when it comes to saving money, anything. Please do. In fact, that goes for everybody. Please do write a testimony in the Discord. It really helps when people want to join the Discord, and it really helps me understand what I've done well for you guys. So please let me know. Again, write a testimonial in the Discord. There's something short. There's only one testimonial there so far. There's something short. Again, it's one of those channels in the Discord. But oh, you never did live streams to get monetized. Okay, so yeah, you get it. Yeah, so you know how difficult it is. Okay, peeps. Looks like we're coming to the end again. Thank you so much for the couple of you guys who purchased during the live stream, the options course, which has just been released. I'm so happy. It's been a good start. Just have a few more people to buy it and then we keep going. For those of you who are still trying to be affiliates, please sign up on Gumroad, make an account, and I can get you a link. We have a few people who have got the link now. There are more people who want to be affiliates, but not all of you have a link yet because you need to sign up yourselves first for free. Once you've done that, okay, sure. Once you've done that, we'll set you up. You know, I've got some affiliates on here now. It's quite cool. Yeah, we can get you set up. And then you guys can post it on your channel and make some money. 50% commission, so we both split the money. You guys get paid, I get paid. We're both happy. It's going to be great, people, so please do that. Of course, it's been a great video. I want to thank all of you who came and tuned in. You know, these kind of videos are not possible without you. So again, a huge thank you to you guys. Lastly, I do want to say, everybody, make sure to not panic with the stock market. Do not panic. We're going to be okay, all right? Honestly, that's the last thing I have to say. It's been a 3-hour and 8-minute live stream. Again, we love doing this. This is what we do it for. It's a grind. It's hard. It's tough work, but we make it happen. But thanks a lot for watching today's live stream. That's it from me. Go out there and have a great weekend. I've got money making. You people have got money making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.